Today we talk about how can you add or change your phone number on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on me down here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here in your profile. Then you click here on your name, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on phone number, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, and here you add your phone number. Then you click here on get verification code. So then automatically it's going to add with you here on your app. So that's all you have to do here to add your phone number. I wish know you are great. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.